This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous sub-region of the Burgundy wine region of France. This area that is also an AOC, an appellation, producing wines from several grape varieties, the famous grape varieties, French wine grape varieties such as Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, Aligoté, but also Gamay. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Mâcon. Mâcon is also the name of the town that centers the sub-region of Burgundy to the south of the Burgundy wine region, Mâcon. Mâcon. It is not Macon. The accent on the A doesn't really matter. You just say Mâcon. Macon. It'd be fine in English to say Macon, Macon, but with the typical French pronunciation, Macon, 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 Macon. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.